Okay, hello dear friends. Let's have a cup of tea. And this is by no means a good cup of tea or quality tea, but this is what I have and what I can have, because we are in the middle of renovation, and we do not have a decent sink to. We do not have kitchen, let's say, so I cannot. That's all. So I cannot cook, and I cannot. I do not drink tea, loose leaf tea, because I cannot. I do not want to pour the remaining of tea leaf into the toilet anyway. So we are trying as much as possible to make our life easier, simpler. And so in our life there are times that we are not comfortable, and just nothing seems work. But we have to get it through. If heaven do not cure us today, we still have to live through today and live to tomorrow. And if heaven do not cure us, we will always find a way out. Never give up, never give up for whatever is happening. And you may be disappointed with what is happening in your life. You may be disappointed. You may be just not feeling right. Get up, keep it up. You will get over it. Tomorrow will be different. If you have good spirit, nothing can beat you. If you have the attitude that it's okay what is happening, do not give up and live to tomorrow, then you can live to tomorrow. You can live up to what you deserve, and you work for what you deserve. I have received some message from Facebook and from comments from YouTube, really touched my heart, and I always wanted to make such a video and to blah 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 about all these things, all the gratitude I want to talk to you since you opened up your heart. It really touched my heart. So let's find those touching things, touching words and comments. Oh. So I have seen one friend said, "You may not know me, but I know you." And I have listened to your channel since very long time ago, and you have you have you have saved me more times than you know, and this one really touched my heart. And this person said, "You have saved me more times than you know." It brings tear to my eyes because actually this comment saved my life, saved my spirit, and lighted up my spirit. Maybe because this is night, I become very emotional, but it's hard to say. I do not want to go deep. And if we do not go deep, the things we do not touch, you know what I'm talking about, do you? We all have bad time. We all have hard time. And if you are a young person, let's just talk about the turning of life. When you are at a crossroad in your life, I strongly believe that the thing that makes us different, makes us unique, is our integrity, is our trueness, is our dedication, is our dream to be different, to be ourselves. The society forced us to go to university, go to college, forced us to get a job, to do a certain thing, to serve other people, and to look for a place, to be safe, to have a car, to buy a house, to rent a house, to do this and that. There are this society norm. And it could be right, and it is right. This is the foundation of our society that makes our society a calm and peaceful and stable place. But our life is not only about peaceful, stable, and continuity. If there is no person think differently, our life will be still the same as our parents, as our four ancestors. And the society cannot evolve, cannot change. The person who make history, those people are the people who think different. They are out of the normal norm. They may not want to go to university. They may not want to go to college. They may not want to get a job. They want to do their own things. And if you are young, you have this dream. It is kind of hard to say this because I want my children also do exactly like what the society asks us to do. But on the other hand, I know this is the only time when you are young you can have dream. Yes, I can have dream also. At the age of over half a century, I can have a dream, but I have much less time left to fulfill my dream and to be crazy and I just have much less energy to do that. I know you will hurt your parents. I know you will hurt your teacher by thinking different, by trying different, by trying to break the status quo, trying to be different. But just remember, you are not alone. You are not in isolation. You are not in solitude. You are in solitude, but you are not in isolation. You are in your glorious solitude. Your parents had this dream. Your teacher had this dream. The old people used to be young people. The old people used to have young dreams, to dream, live in a different life. It's hard to say. It's very hard to say. It's very hard. I will do as much as I can to support a young spirit to have this pursuit of freedom, to have this pursuit of integrity, to have this pursuit of difference. I support. I support with my heart and soul, because in your craziness, in your old problems, there was me. I was there. After a few years, you will be okay. We are all okay. We are all okay. It's a good tea, actually. I just want to say how much I admire your courage in writing to me, to open up your heart to me. I admire your experience. I admire your courage to live your dream and to be different, to live a life that is hard, that is difficult, but only you yourself know that it's a life worth living. Why do we live a life for others? It is our life, it is your life, it is my life. Why should we be the same as everybody else? Or as anybody else? my heart is supplied, pumped up by my muscle, my blood, my body. It's my life. It is different from anyone else. For anybody who is living a life of their pursuit, be proud, even if it is hard. Be proud. Be very, very proud. Be proud of yourself. I admire you. I admire you. I admire you.